Hi, I'm Meera from Terra and welcome to Cooking with Terra again. Today we are on day 12 of our 21-day juice class, and today's primary ingredient is something that I feel sure everybody will really like. Black grapes. Apart from being great tasting, when the black grapes are just packed with a lot of nutrition. Your usual vitamin minerals that you'll associate with the fruit all being there. Idora speciality actually it's the presence of the compound resveratrol in the skin of the black grapes. In fact, compound is seen only in the dark colored grapes, black or red. Resveratrol has got tremendous health benefits. Number one, it helps in reducing the inflammations in the body. Sometimes we take that sentence lightly, but reducing inflammation in the body may be the single biggest thing you can do to keep a good foundation for good health overall. When inflammations are more in the body, it also lays a good foundation for actually chronic illnesses. So reducing inflammation is a very big role that resveratrol can play. Second thing is it actually helps in cancer fighting. So in alternative therapies, you will sometimes see resveratrol isolated as a supplement used in cancer treatments. Third it actually improves your blood circulation, especially cerebral blood flow. Therefore, it is said to improve your brain function, your cognitive function. So in all these aspects, the resveratrol in the black grapes makes it a great fruit actually. But sometimes these kind of nutritional benefits in food are not derived fully by the human body unless they are supported by some other element. For example, resveratrol by itself to only a certain extent is bioavailable to the human system. It requires the support of another ingredient to make resveratrol even more bioavailable, and that unlikely ingredient is black pepper. The piperine, which is an alkaloid in black pepper, actually delivers the resveratrol in a more bioavailable form to the body. So when you combine black grapes with black pepper, you get maximum benefit out of the black grapes. And therefore today's juice, I'm actually going to be combining black grapes and black pepper. And having decided to go savory, let's go all the way and just add some black salt also. So today is a all black juice, black pepper, black grapes and black salt. And with these, I'm just adding a little bit of celery to add a little more to the savoriness, which you can or need not add also. But now, since we are relying on the skin of the grapes to get the benefit from, this is one juice we are not going to be straining. So which means you need to be able to eat the skin of the grapes. And where that becomes a little bit concerning would be, grapes are among what they call the dirty dozen in fresh fruits and vegetables, where there is maximum use of pesticide in its cultivation. So grapes are actually best bought organic, and if you do not have access or ability to source the same, then let's pay a little more attention on how you prepare the grapes. Number one is to wash it really well in running water. The second step you could do would be soak it in a bowl of water into which you have added some vinegar. It could be white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Let it soak in that for at least half an hour. To a great degree, it will reduce the presence of pesticides on the skin. And the third thing you can do is remove any damaged grapes that have the skin bruised or it's open a little bit, because the pesticide would have seeped into the fruit itself. So remove all the damaged grapes. So once you've got the ideal grapes arranged this way, it's going to be very easy to move on to our wonderful juice for the day, which is your all black grape, black pepper, black salt juice. So here are the ingredients that we have lined up for the juice. I have taken 2 brimming cups of black grapes, and I've crushed the pepper slightly so that you don't have big pieces in the juice. You could take coarse pepper or use a really good blender and blend full pepper itself. I will be adding at least 4 or 5 peppercorns, and if you're able to take it more savory, you could add more. We can just add a pinch of black salt. It's quite strong, so let's add a pinch of black salt. And here you have very, very finely chopped tender celery, because we're not going to strain this and remove any fibers that could be there. So now we have taken all the ingredients in the blender. So for about 2 cups of black grapes, I'll also be adding about 3/4 to 1 cup of water, or the juice might become a little too thick. And now you're done. And here you are with your all black grape, black pepper, black salt juice. So here we are. This is your all black grape, black pepper, black salt juice. You can reduce the pepper a little bit in case you feel your children might find it difficult. But do try to have that black pepper with the black grape. You'll get the best out of the nutritional benefits of the grapes. 12 done, 9 more to go.